All right, welcome back to SOS. I'm Sastarn Badass, and today it's snowing outside, and I am sitting here reading an LDS preparedness manual because there's something interesting in it about these mini crystals, and here, let me pull you over here so you can see what I'm doing. Here we go. This silica gel right here. Dang it, why does it always do that? There we go, it zoomed in this time. Silica gel, okay? And I've got one that I ripped open here. It had busted open. And I was getting kind of aggravated because this stuff, if you buy it and you don't know any, these are Desiccant packs, right? Desi pack, right? And these things get expensive. Kid brought in some seashells. They get really expensive. Here's another one. Silica gel. Okay. Super expensive for storing your ammo. And I keep so many of these in my gun safe that you could feel the moisture in the air just suck right out of you when you open up my safe. So let's move these over. Now, in the manual, to the manual. All right, let's pull you over here. Have some coffee. Here, stick with me. All right. Let's see, I marked the tab here because I didn't want to have to go hunting for it later. And it has in here your silica gel information that it absorbs 40% of its weight in water and all that stuff. Yeah, there's little hearts there. All right. The introduction, you've got your whole sections on Desiccant, how to use Desiccant, where to find Desiccant. It's a crystal underground. It's silica gel that comes off of it, and they turn it into these packets right here. And there's a whole thing of information. So reading all that, I put together this, which I didn't know that LDS manual had all that stuff in it. It's kitty litter. Here, I'll pull you up. I slapped that and I didn't get to point at it. It's kitty litter. That's all it is. I really want. You should bring me a Sharpie marker, Drew, so I can draw a face on that cat.
Okay.
It looks very sad. We should draw a smiley face on it. Okay, so that's all it is.
Okay,
and opening this up, I mean, open up one of these and see in comparison. Now, drying it out, you just use yourself a dehydrator. I didn't know that either. You just dry it out. It's reusable. And, you know, people will probably think, oh, I just throw it away. No, it's reusable. See, and all of it looks slightly different. This one looks more like kitty litter than from the Desi pack. That looks more like kitty litter, but you can dry it out. You spread this out on the sheet and dry it out. Then you've got this one here is like the BBs. Just bring it here, sweetie. This one here is like BBs. Let's rip open one of these small ones.
Okay,
let me see. Let's draw. I gotta draw a face on it, like a smiley face. There we go. And then it's got a smile. Just smile, cat. Smile. There we go. There, he's smiling now. He's much happier. Okay, so silica gel. Don't throw away. Don't eat. The reason why I say don't eat is because it's a choke hazard for tiny little kids. And if you got any infants, toddlers, things of that nature running around your house, this stuff here is a choke hazard because it is a choke hazard for them. And move it. This is the other thing is that it absorbs 40% of its weight in water. So if you put that you ingest this, it's even if you'd have to guzzle a lot of water to flush this out of your body, right? I didn't even know I had all this information in my book over here, but I'm glad I do. All right, let's open this up real quick. I just want to open this one up and see what difference. looking at all the different packets that I've got, they all look different. Some have the little blue specks in them like this. Some are just round little BBs like that. So they all look different. Now put that in here. Then there's Everdry. You can buy this, I think, at like Bass Pro and stuff in the gun safe sections. And if it turns pink, which is pink right now, I just took it out. When it's dry, it turns blue, and it needs to be plugged in. You've got a plug in right here, and all it does is heat it up and dry it out again. Because, like I said, it's reusable. You can use a dehydrator for dehydrating, and if you want to make some yourself, you can get fancy and fold the little packets up with some tape or whatever, or staple it together. Or you could just use the, since I'm doing ammo cans myself, I do ammo cans for that and my gun safe and everything else. Coffee filter, and get yourself some of this right here, and get yourself some scoop. You just scoop it out, right? You can make it as big as you want. Scoop it on up, and this will be on the top shelf and at Walmart, right? Now this stuff is mixed with different agents to it. It has different stuff to it. There's a mixture. There's different types of Desiccant. This also works just the same to suck the moisture out out of the environment, right? There's that. I gotta make sure I seal this up all the way. But this is like this is kitty litter, and it's usually used for cats that have like long fur and things like that. That's why they use it. But instead of this is like $10. Instead of going and spending, what is it? You'd spend $15-20 just getting a couple of these big guys, right? And man, that's outrageous. But what you do, put this together just like that. You don't have to use this. You could use whatever you like. You could use cotton or whatever. I mean, even a gauze pad will work. Get yourself some pink string. That way people think it's this cute little thing. You don't want to throw off anyone that's they come in there and freak out, you know. Anyway, wrap that up just like that, and just like that. Doesn't matter how you wrap it. I just happened to cut off more than I needed. And then just like that. And then store your ammo in one of those Christmas cookie containers. Anyways, there you go. That's a neat little Desiccant pack. Just throw it right in there and you're done. And that's all it is to making little Desiccant packs. And there you have it. And that's all I got. And this is me sharing. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you're watching SOS, I'm Sass MBA. Have a beautiful, fabulous, fantastic day. Rainbows and unicorns. God bless. Take care.